Hello, cryptocurrency miners, Web3 blockchain technology. Greetings to you all according to your time. This is Crypto Guru, and I'm here to give you a new update about ICE Network, right? So, ICE Network just recently launched a new mining called DoctorX. All right, see, this DoctorX is a new mining on ICE Network, and this mining, trust me, guys, it will make sense if you start this mining right now, because the last time ICE Network launched their coin, we earn money from ICE Network very well. For those of us that started earlier, we know what we earn from ICE Network. And for those that didn't start earlier, I'll advise you to take this mining called Dr. X from ICE Network right now, because this ICE Network new app mining called Dr. X just launched a few days ago, and I want you to join using the link I'll be dropping in the description below and also in the comment section. So if you don't know how to join a mining, what you need to do is just to put your email. After putting your email, you get a verified code on your email, on your Gmail. Then you open your Gmail, took the three codes, then you activate. After activating, they will open your account for you. Then the account is registered. Then the next thing they will show you is they will show you where you follow them on Telegram. After following them on Telegram, then you come back right here and click anything that they will show you here, next or skip. All right, then you come and start tapping this button. Right, so don't let Telegram mining take you off from all this application mining, because this application mining is the first mining that makes us money, especially ICE Network, Pi Network, and some other ones, right? So I'll advise you to join this one, because I believe that this project will do well. Any project I'll bring to you guys, I believed in the project before even posting it. So if you don't know how to join, use the link I'll be dropping in the description below. It will take you all the steps, guys. Then you come here and tap. After 24 hours, you come back and mine. It's not like other mining on Telegram that you'll be tapping till your finger get faded. Guys, join this mining right now. This is Crypto Guru, and if you're new to my YouTube channel or my TikTok, any of my social media handle, follow up for more updates about mining. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.